Exercise 52. It's an exercise focused on statistics. The table above shows the distributions of heights of 15 students in a fitness class. And we can see that we have 2 students with a height of 60, 2 with a height of 62, 5 with a height of 64, 6 with height of 66, 2 with a height of 68, and 1 student with a height of 70. Which of the following gives the correct order of the mean, median, and mode? So we need to, first of all, calculate mean, median, mode, and then put them in order, from the smallest to the biggest. To do so, of course, we could try, but that would take a lot of time to do it by hand. We could use one scientific calculator if we have any, but now I'm going to show how this is done through Desmos, because we will all have access to it. So let me open Desmos. Desmos has its own prompts for such things, for median and mean. We don't need to have any prompt about mode, because mode is the value with the highest frequency. So since mode is the most frequent value, we can clearly see that the biggest frequency is 6, so the corresponding value is 66, which would be the mode. With regards to the mean, in Desmos, there is a prompt about the mean. I think that all you have to do is write mean and open up a bracket. Let's say you don't quite remember that. You all know, or at least we should all know, that if we go down there to the keypad and then select functions, we will see on statistics, there it is, mean. All we have to do now is plug in the values, but be careful. We are not going to put just the 60 or just the 62. We will put 60 as many times as needed. Here we need 2 60s, so I'm going to put 60, 60. Then 2 62s, 62, 62. And the good thing about the mean is that as we progress, it recalculates the mean all over. We need 5 64s, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6 66, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 2 68s, 1 and 2, and 1 70. So now we know that the mean is, let me bring that back. We know that the mean is equal to 64.777 and so on. Now, I need to finally calculate median. Desmos has again a prompt for median. Here, I don't need to do any change. Oh no, I did it. Let's click undo. I don't necessarily need to write all values again from the beginning. I will simply go and change the prompt. Now, instead of mean, I will make it median. And Desmos quickly calculates that the median is 65. So there it is. From the smallest to the biggest, first we have mean, which is 64.7. Then we have median, which is 65. And finally, we have mode. So mean, median, mode, that would be D. The right answer here would have been D.